everyone, this is Nancy with Ashes Treasure. Today we're making chocolate chip cookies for Santa coming tomorrow night. And we use Enjoy Life mini chips. And this time we're putting the mega chips in. And we got this from bakingforfriends.com. And it's a simple recipe. And you can add whatever you want to. If you want to make oatmeal raisin cookies, you can use oatmeal raisins. If you want to make peanut butter cookies, you can put peanut butter in it. It doesn't have to be chocolate chips. And we're using our Earth Balance butter, vegan butter, and just basic ingredients. I've got 2 cups of flour here, our 2 eggs, vanilla. We use 3/4 cups of brown sugar, a cup of butter, and half a cup of sugar, and you cream that together. Then you add 1 egg at a time. Then you add your flour, your baking soda, and vanilla, and then you make your cookies. You put them on. I put ours on the cookie sheet, but I will put parchment paper down, that way they don't stick and burn on the bottom. And then after I get all this together and we make the cookies, I'll bring y'all back and y'all get to see what our cookies look like. Thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and like our videos. And we'll see you later.